guys. My game, it's actually Danielle. My keeps lagging. There's no wings on it. There's only little legs. But I fly this. It's a little blob. Let's see if we can find some people. There's some. Hey, little. Look at the little block. There's supposed to be birds. What is it doing? What is happening? I'm laughing so hard. Let's see if we can find some people. Oh, there's one. It's a crow. What happened to you, crow? Oh, there goes some more features. Oh, okay. But that was weird. That was just a little review. If you want to play this, it is on Roblox. Bird Simulator. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while. I'm going to make another one. But yeah, that was strange. But bye, guys.